What's up, everybody? Welcome to Synced Eating, and today we are making avocado toast, but not just regular bread on avocado toast. We are making it flavorful, delicious, nutrient packed. Why? Because while breakfast is not the most important meal of the day, studies have shown it's actually meant to be the most nutritious. So, let's take advantage of that. My allergies are not having it today, but the show must go on. We are using sourdough bread, avocado, sauerkraut, and egg. Sourdough bread has fermentation, which helps aid our gut in digestion as our metabolism is speeding up during our follicular phase. Avocado is a healthy fat, which is essential for hormone production, regulation, and balancing. Sauerkraut is fermented and it's a great probiotic, which aids in digestion and our gut health. Eggs contain vitamin B, which can help balance our moods as our bodies are preparing for ovulation while they're releasing LH, luteinizing hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and estrogen is rising. Our follicular phase is the time of new beginnings. It's when our bodies just naturally want to increase in energy, elevate, do new things, but we need to give our bodies the proper nutrition so that way our energy matches the phase that it naturally wants to be in. So, let's get to it. First, I'm going to put the sourdough bread in the toaster. And while we're doing that, we are going to cut the avocado. I like to put it down to make sure I don't cut myself. So we are using the whole avocado. So toss the pit. And what you want to do, so first there are some bits that we don't want because welcome to avocado. So when cutting an avocado, you want to go across like this, and then back the other way. And you'll see why once we start putting everything together. Now, we make the egg. Hey, pup. Someone's excited. So I like to put a little bit, even though this is a non-stick pan, putting a little bit of olive oil because I like my eggs over easy. When you crack the egg, you want to make sure you crack it on the counter. Make sure there's no shells. It's not perfect, but that's okay. In order to make an egg over easy, really easy, take a cover, and just like that. When it's glass, you can see it cooking. And so what happens is it's cooking from the bottom and the top. So you actually don't need to flip it. How cool is that? And because the pan is hard anodized, it's gonna cook a lot faster. Now what I like to do once it's basically done, sometimes I like to flip it just a little bit and then turn off the stove because the egg is still cooking from the heat of the pan. Toast is done. So while the egg is still cooking, we take our avocado and it just scoops out like so beautifully, so easy, because we did the little hatch motion. How awesome is that? And then we just smash. It all down. Then we take our egg and put it right on top. Take our sauerkraut and we just start to drizzle it on. And then I love to add some paprika for the taste. And because we flip the egg over, it's runny, but it's not too runny. We love that. Tell me if you make this. Tell me if you love it. Share it with a friend. And I will see you soon. Cheers.